Hi guys, this is Confidence Designer here again, and welcome to my tutorial. So I designed this recently, and then people started asking me how I was able to get this blog. So this blog is a result of the new feature that comes with Figma. I'm going to show you how I did that in few minutes. So firstly, you want to bring your image into Figma. So I'm going to import my image. All right. The effect is mostly added to the image before it's being brought to the frame. So I'm going to come to my image and drop it here. Next, I'm going to make my frame. So I'm going to create a frame. After creating your frame, go to your image, click on the effect tool on the panel at the right, and then change the drop shadow to layer blur. Now when you choose layer blur, your image is going to be blurry, but that's because it's on uniform. Choose progressive. Now on progressive is like making your gradient fill or layer fill where one side becomes different from the other side. Now adjust the down parts to blur it out. You can as well adjust the upper parts. Now the start is the top, the end is the bottom. Now because you want to make the bottom blurry, you increase the number. So the higher the number, the blurry it becomes. If you increase the number of the starts, it blurs the upper part, but we want to keep that at 0 because the down part is actually what we are looking at. So increase that part to something like this, all right, and then take that image and put inside your frame. All right, so now you put your image inside your frame. You can expand your image so it can fit your frame. Okay, and then when you have this, you can now take off your stroke that you put there. So every other thing now goes inside here. You can have your text created, and like this, you can have your button. Then you can play around whatever you want to do, right? And yes, that was how I was able to get this done. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what you think about this new feature by Figma, progressive blur. Thank you so much.